Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Twitter profile picture on Android or iPhone. So if you want to change your Twitter profile picture on your mobile device, here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change Twitter profile picture, all you need to do is go ahead and open the X application. Once the X application is open, locate and click on the profile button at the top left. Then click on profile. Once you selected profile, locate and click on the profile you want to change. So click on edit at the bottom left. Then once you click on edit, then you should see where you can easily edit your profile. Now on the edit profile page, locate and click on the camera icon on your profile. Then scroll down, locate the profile you want to change to on your X account, and then click on it. Once you selected the profile, you see the profile like this, then adjust the profile to fit in. You can also use this button to rotate the profile. So once you're done, click on the apply button at top right. Then click on done at top right again. Then click on save button. Then you see that says you want to update your followers. If you want to update your followers about your new profile, click on post now or not now. In this case, I'm just going to choose not now. And that is it. So that's exactly how to change your Twitter profile picture on Android as well as on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.